Hello students, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Myself Sneha Pemberti. Now students, in last episode we have discussed about nouns. Now what is the meaning of nouns? Yes, tell me students. The name of person, place, animals or things is called nouns. Okay. In the last chapter we have studied more details about nouns, but before we have start the nouns, we have seen what is the meaning of parts of speech. Once again we are going to revise this all, that the parts of speech means what? That words that we say or write are divided into different groups according to the work they do in a sentence. These groups are called parts of speech. Now in parts of speech we have seen there are 8 parts of speech are there. Which are they? They are noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. These 8 parts of speech we are going to see, we are going to study one by one in the grammar section. Okay. In English grammar these are the main things or the part of speech, it is a main we can study in the English grammar. So apart from these 8 parts of speech, today is in the last episode we have studied about the nouns. Now with the help of this we have solved, with the help of this picture we have solved some questions related this picture, that the name of the place means school, the name of a boy Rahul, the name of non-living thing which we keep all the books in it, that is bag, the name of the girl Rinki and the name of animal dog. Now here means with the help of these names what we have understood? We have understood means that the nouns means what? It is a name of a person, animal, place or thing. Okay. Now in the B question also we have studied. See, we have seen that one story which is about the cat and mice. You have seen that one with the, here what the question it is given, that underline the nouns in the following story. Now what we have done in the last period, we have underlined that in the story we have seen which are the nouns and we have underlined. Once again I am going to revise it. See here in the first sentence we have seen that 5 mice lives happily in a big house. In a big house, sorry, in a big house. So here in the first sentence mice and house, these are the nouns we have underlined. Okay. Now in the next one, next sentence, but one day the master of house brings a cat to scare them. Now here in the second sentence, day, this is a noun. Next is house, place we can say, and animal, cat. So these 3 are the nouns we have underlined. Now in the third sentence, the mice are scared and cannot come out of their holes. Now think place is holes, so this is a noun. Now again the animal name, so here mice is there. So in the third sentence we have underlined mice and holes. Now in the fourth sentence, that they hold a meeting, means idea. So this is a meeting, it is a noun. Now they think of many ideas but none of them is useful. So idea, it is also noun. And next one, finally they think of a plan to put a bell around the neck of the cat. Now here again we have underlined plan, bell and cat. In the last sentence, but not even one mice agrees to take the risk of going near the cat. Now in the last sentence, mice and cat, these are the nouns we have underlined. These all we have seen in the last period. And one more question we have solved, that that filling the blanks with the help of this suitable nouns which are given in the boxes. So one by one we have seen that one. So first one is, I was not well, so I went to a doctor. My dash is old and walks with a stick. Grandmother. Our teacher told us to open the English grammar books. Fourth one, the milkman forgot to give us milk today. Fifth one, I have a pet dog that barks at strangers. And last one, my father drops me to school every day. These already we have solved in the last period. Now one more question we have solved, which is I think you have done. So once again I am going to repeat it, that with the help of, in the boxes they are given the words. So we have to find out that which word is not a noun. So what we have to do, we have to color that word with the help of crayons. You can use the different crayons to color it, or you can use the pencil, but don't do the dark, so it can be your page, it should be tight. Okay, so one by one we have seen that one. Once again I am going to repeat it here. Here first one is sun, sea, sky, star, moon. Now sea means what action we are doing, watching. So this word is not a noun. So what we have done, we have colored this word. Second one, tree, bird, fly, grass, leaf. So we have seen this one, fly is not a noun. Fly we are doing the action. Okay. So this word is not a noun. We have to color this word with the help of colors. Third one, board, chair, table, write, book. So here you can see these are the things you can see, and write means action. We are whatever it is there, whenever teacher is going to give homework or you want to write something. So this the action is not a noun. Write, it is not a noun. Now fourth one is girls, sing, boys, school, music. Now girls, noun is there, boys, noun is there, school, noun is there, music. This is the name of a subject. So sing means what? The action we are doing. Singing. Some music we are listening and we are singing. So this word is not a noun, this is a action. Till this we have studied in the last period. So today we are going to solve the next examples which are related to the nouns. Now open your grammar textbook, page number 90, question number E. Okay. Do it after I have solved this question. Okay. Now first we are going to see what is that question. Okay. Look at the following pictures and find their names in the grid given below. Now you can see there are the different pictures are given in the both side, and in the middle you can see grid it is given. Letters are there in this grid. So what we have to do? We have to find out and grid given the below, means we have to join these words. Okay, with the help of this picture we can find out the words and we have to join it. Okay, so one by one we are going to see here. From this side, the first picture is what? This is tree. So we have to find out tree where it is. Yes, students, see. You can see one more, it is that they have given the hint. See, some of the letters they have given in the bold printed. So with the help of that bold printed we can find out that word very easily. Okay. Now first one is tree. Where it is? The first row it is not there. The second row is not there. Third row also is not there. Fourth row T it is given, which is bold printed, but you can see like this. So third one is, first answer is tree. We have find it in this box. Second one is, what is this? Boy. Where it is? Yes. You can join like this. Now third one is, what is this? Book. Yes, already it is here. Fourth picture is fan. Yes, yeah, it is here. And last one is, what is this? Which animal? This is a goat. Okay, we have solved this picture. Now we are going to see this picture. Okay, now first one is here, which it has given kite. So where is that word kite? Here. You can join like this. Second one is picture man. Yes, you can see here man. Third one is picture ink. So where is that ink word? Find out. Yes, in the second row. Next one is girl. Yes, it is here. Next picture is egg. And last but not least, what is this? Grass. Okay. Now you have seen that one. We have joined these words with the help of given picture. Okay. Which are they? Tree, boy, fan, book, goat. From that side, kite, man, ink, girl, egg and grass. Okay, you can do it. Now we have to go for the next question. Okay, this you can do it with the watching to on the screen. It is given, you can see and you can do it. Next question we have to move. F1 is guess who I am. See here, there are 5 questions it has given. So with the help of this question we have to guess who is that, who I am. Okay, one by one we are going to see. First one, I made your shoes. Who is that person who made the shoes? Yes, the person name is cobbler. What is the spelling of cobbler? C-O-B-B-L-E-R. See here in the boxes they have written some letters. These letters also help to us to make a word. Okay. Now second one is I look after you when you are sick. See, whenever mostly you are not feeling well and we are suffering from cold, fever, ill. So where we have to go? We have to go to the doctor. So second one is that who is that person? That where we have to go when we are sick. The person name is doctor. Okay. What is the spelling of doctor? D-O-C-T-O-R. Now here you can look at that all the letters you can write in the capital letters. Okay. Third one is I teach you in school. Now who is that person who teach you in the school? The name of the person, we can say that teacher. Okay. Now what is the spelling of teacher? T already it has given. E A C H E R. See, remember students, whatever you are going to write this, the spelling of that word you have to write in the capital letters. Okay. Next, fourth one, I cut your hair. Who is that person that who cut the hairs? Yes, the person name we can say, that name of that person is barber. Spelling of barber, B already it is given, A R B E, already R it has given. Okay. Now next one is last one. I stitch your clothes. Who is that person who stitch our clothes? The name of the person is, we can say, tailor. Okay. So what is the spelling of tailor? T already it is given. After T, A, I it is given. Then L, O, R already it is given. Okay. So these are the person who help us. Okay. Who are they? Once again we are going to read this. First one, I made your shoes. Who is that person who made our shoes? That cobbler. Next one, I look after you when you are sick. See, mostly when we are suffering from cold, fever, or we are not feeling well, we have to go to the doctor. Okay, the person is who that when we are not feeling well, when we are sick, who help us? That doctor. Okay. I teach you in the school. Teacher. I cut your hair. Barber. I stitch your clothes. Tailor. Okay. So these are the person, or we have guessed that who is the person who help us. Now the last question it is given, we have to solve it. Okay. See, last question is that match column A with the words in column 2. Now here so many words it is given. What we have called that words in the column 2 it has given. Okay, one by one we have to see and we have to match it. Now here you are not having the space to join this word. So what we have to do? We have to write the answer in front of that, or you can write it here, answer, and you can write it. Whatever that answer is there, you can write in front of that. Okay. See here, because here two spaces short is there, so we are not able to join. If we have joined it, it will not look good. So what we have to do? Here in the middle some space it is given, there only upstairs you have to write answer, and in front of that you can do the arrow. Whatever that answer is there, you can write it here. Okay. Now first one is table, chair, cupboard, bookshelf. These all what we can say things, but what it is, what we have to call? We are called fruits? No. What we call? Furniture. All these are furniture. So first one answer is B. Okay. Second one, Kanpur, Delhi, Bhopal, Mumbai. Now here you can see here some city's name it has given. Okay. Kanpur, Delhi, Bhopal, Mumbai. Okay. What these we have to call? These are fruits? No. Furniture? No. Animals? No. Players? No. Places? Yes. So these are all what? These are all places. So second one answer is E. Third one, Sachin, Sehwag, Dhoni, Virat Kohli. I know that you all love these batsmen or cricketers. These are the names of the cricketers. So what we have called? These are all players. These are all players. So third one answer is D. Players. Next one is fourth one, apples, oranges, grapes, bananas, pineapples. These are all what? Yes, these are all fruits. So fourth one is answer is A. Now fifth one is dog, cat, lion, tiger, deer. These are all what? These are all animals. So animals, this is the answer, means C1 answer of fifth one answer is C1. Okay. Now sixth one, brinjal, potato, tomato, cabbage, cauliflower. What is this? These are all what we have to say? Vegetables. So sixth one answer is what? J. Vegetables. Now seventh one, English, Hindi, maths. These are all we can say, these are all subjects. Yes. So seventh one answer is F. Now eighth one is pencil, eraser, sharpener, pen. These things you are going to use whenever you are writing, whenever you are going to do the study. So these are all what? These are all stationaries. So eighth one answer is what? Stationery, means I. Now the ninth one, swallow, pigeon, peacock, cuckoo. These are all what we can say, these are all birds. So the ninth one answer is what? G. Birds. Now the last one is lily, sunflower, rose, poppy. These are all flowers. So 10th one answer is H, means flowers. Okay. Once again we have to revise the question, that match column A, means 1, with the words it is given in the column 2. Now here some words which is given here, and we have to match this one with the help of this, the column 2 which are given. Okay. So answer also we have wrote here, space is not there. So what we have done, we have in the middle answer I have wrote here, and in front of that I have wrote the answer. First one answer is B1, second one answer is E, third one answer is D, fourth one answer is A, fifth one answer is C, sixth one answer is J, seventh one answer is F, eighth one answer is I, ninth one answer is G, and last 10th one answer is H. So today what we have studied? We have studied about the nouns. What is the definition of nouns, and with the help of definition we have solved all the questions which are given in our grammar textbook. Okay. Now students, I am going to show you one video which is related of this topic.
A person, place, or thing is a noun. A person, place, or thing is a noun. If you listen closely, I will tell you how. A person, place, or thing is a noun. A noun can be any kind of person, like your mom or your daddy or your old me. Noun can be any kind of place, like your school or your city or your India cave. A noun can be any kind of thing, like a car or a TV or a scary dream. Because a person, place, or thing is a noun. A person, place, or thing is a noun. If you listen closely, I will tell you how. A person, place, or thing is a noun. Person, place, or thing is a noun. A person, place, or thing is a noun. A person, place, or thing is a noun. Yeah.
Now related this one, we are going to solve the questions. First exercise is drag and drop. It is given, filling the blanks with the help of suitable nouns from the boxes. Okay. First one is I was not well, so I went to a doctor. My dash is old and walks with a stick. Grandmother. Our dash told us to open English grammar books. Teacher. The dash forgot to give us milk today. Milkman. Fifth one, I have a pet that barks at strangers. Dog. Last one, my dash drops me to school every day. Father. So these are we have seen. Now the next exercise is match and play.
Look at these pictures and write for persons.
See here some pictures name we have seen. With the help of these pictures we have to match it. Now here person, place, animals, things are given. So one by one we are going to see. Now here who is he? She is a teacher. So this is a person. So what the correct answer is? The correct answer is
Good girl.
T. This is the animal we can say. Which animal it is? It is a tiger. So only short form it has given. We can, with the help of that short form, we can match it.
Good girl.
Now third one is the things. You can see what is this? This is the uniform, school uniform. So third one answer is first one T, and the last one is places. Means this is the place mostly we have enjoyed when we have to visit this place. The place is zoo or the garden we can say. So the last one answer is second. Okay students, I hope you enjoy this videos and this lesson also. So today we have finished our 6th chapter of grammar, that is nouns. So in the today homework is that whatever it is given in the nouns the chapter, you have to read along with the examples, learn the definition of noun. Okay, the next session we are going to discuss about the new chapter. Till then, bye.